Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do to click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Also guys, follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any updates. I will make sure to put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So guys, one more thing, right? If you do not want to miss out on any updates, click on that bell notification also. So once you subscribe, click on the bell notification, because with the bell notification, once I drop an update, instantly you would get the update and you would not miss out on that update. So let's see what we would be expecting on our USDJPY for this week. Remember, we are going to start from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame, which is we are going to analyze from the monthly time frame down to our 4-hour time frame or our 1-hour time frame. So we would want to understand what USDJPY is doing in order for us to make a good prediction. You can also follow the Telegram. I will put the link in the comment section. So let's start with our trend on USDJPY. So this is our trend on USDJPY. You can clearly see that this is what an uptrend move. It is very clear that USDJPY is giving us a movement to the upside. This is very clear that this is an uptrend move. USDJPY is giving us a series of higher high and an higher low. Now take a look at this here. Let's start from here for quick analysis. I want to analyze this thing very quickly. This is the impulsive move, which is our high, right? Within this impulsive move, if you go down to your probably 4-hour time frame to your daily time frame, you will see the markets give a series of higher high and an higher low within this level, right? There is a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, a series of higher high and an higher low, a series of higher high and an higher low. Then here comes the pullback phase, which is the corrective phase on our monthly time frame. Then this is what an impulsive move. Then here comes the pullback phase, right? Right. This I took out this previous high here. I want you to have that it took out this previous high here. This was the previous high here. This movement here took out this previous high here. Then it eventually gave us a pullback, and guess what it did next? It gave us a new high. This new high took out this previous high. So you can clearly see that we are having a series of impulsive movements to the upside. Then this is the corrective phase. Market has given us the corrective phase. So our next phase on USDJPY is an impulsive move to the upside that what we take out this previous high. So this is one of the reasons why for position traders, traders that would love to hold their position for the next 3 to 6 months, even 7 months, I'll say between 3 to 6 months, you should be anticipating for a movement to the upside as markets will still continue to give us more movements upward. So on our monthly time frame, for position traders who make use of this time frame and who would have position traders that take trade on USDJPY, our bias and our forecast for USDJPY is a bullish move, is a movement to the upside. So more movements is what we'll be expecting to the upside on USDJPY. Now this is it here. This is the first high on USDJPY. I want you guys to know this is our first higher low. This is the higher high. So higher low is what you should be expecting. Remember, for position traders who would love to hold their position for the next 3 to 6 months, you should be going long. But because we would want to predict what market will be doing this week, right? We still expect market to still continue to pull back. Now that should not take us to the weekly time frame. So now let's take a look at what market is doing on the weekly time frame. So we can clearly see that this week that just finished and last week, right, we opened and closed bearish. So last week we opened and closed bearish. This week that just finished, we opened and closed bearish. Now this week that we are trying to predict for, in order for us to understand what USDJPY will be giving us for this week that we are predicting for, we would also be opening and closing bearish also. So we would expect market to also give us a bearish move this week. So if you are a trader, I'll say possibly for day trader and swing traders, you should still be expecting some sell for the week on USDJPY. Reason is that when you take a look at this, overall trend is still an uptrend move. The overall trend is still a very strong bullish move, but just a little bit of a pullback market will be giving us. This is it here. Let's start from here for quick analysis, by the way. So this is the high, and here is the higher low, right? This is the high, and here is the higher low. This is the high, here is the higher low. This is the higher high, here is the higher low. This is our higher high, here is our higher low. So is this higher low over? Definitely not. The higher low is not yet over. We will still be expecting some higher low before a new higher high. So probably in next 2 weeks time, we should be expecting an higher high. But for now, our prediction for now says we are still anticipating for an higher low. So meaning we should be still expecting some bearish move this week on USDJPY. So bearish, yeah, bearish this week that I just finished. This week that you're predicting for, we would also be expecting a bearish move. That should not take us to the daily time frame. So what is the daily time frame saying? You can clearly see it also. If you have to zoom it out properly, fully, we are still on an uptrend move. If you have to zoom it in and to see what the current movement on USDJPY is doing, it is also still an uptrend move. So if this to be the high, here is our higher low, right? Then this is our higher high, here is our higher low. This is the higher high, here is our higher low. This is also our higher high, here is the higher low. This is our higher high. The market is currently what? Doing an higher low. So you can see that within this higher low, market is dropping, giving a bearish trend. It is just a minor movement. I want you to know, have that in mind that this bearish movement market is doing, which is here, this bearish trend movement that market is doing is a very minor one. You should not take it very serious. As anytime so markets will start pushing up and it will start giving us that movement to the upside. But now market is just giving us a minor trend, which is bearish in nature. So go down to the forward time frame. So this is it here. See a minor trend. If in case market drops one more time, just have it in mind that this is still a minor trend. Very soon, this minor trend will be over and markets will eventually start pushing up. So if this once this movement is over, I'll let you guys to know. As I am still watching out for something, it looks like market wants to end it and start pushing up, right? It looks like it wants to do that, but I would want to see multiple confirmation and be very sure that okay, we will start going bullish move. So when I confirm it, I'll be able to share that update with you guys. So in order for you not to miss out on that update, you need to subscribe to this channel. If you've not done that, it will be best you do that now. Click on that bell notification. Make sure you follow the Telegram also. Guys, once again, once you click subscribe, click on that bell notification so you will get the updates once I drop it for you. And you will not miss out on that update.